How to generate passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. Here are a few ideas for beginners looking to generate passive income. 1. Renting out a property. If you own a property, you can generate passive income by renting it out to tenants. This could be a single-family home, a vacation rental, or even a room in your own home. 2. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. Some stocks pay dividends, which are payments to shareholders out of the company's profits. If you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you can generate passive income from the dividends you receive. 3. Creating and selling an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell an online course. This can generate passive income as long as the course continues to sell. 4. Investing in a peer-to-peer lending platform. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a way to generate passive income, although it's important to carefully research the risks and potential returns before investing. 5. Rent out a spare room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your home, you can potentially generate passive income by renting it out on Airbnb. This can be a good option for people who live in a tourist destination or have a room that is not being used frequently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial videos.